Welcome back everyone. Now we'll discuss the last arithmetic operator, which is again quite a new to the ones who are new to programming, which is modulus operator or mod operator. Now don't confuse this with mod of maths. Okay, mod of maths is like, it will give you, so mod of maths is like this. I'll write comment, okay, bar, and you write -4. This used to be 4. Basically it used to give you the integer value, the magnitude, right? But I'm not talking about this mod. I'm actually talking about mod operator, which is represented by percentage sign in pi. So let's take an example for this. Suppose you do 4 mod 2. Okay, 4 mod 2. This means I'll write comment, what is the remainder obtained when 4 is divided by 2. This is how you will understand it. When you divide 4 by 2, what is the remainder? 2 completely divides 4, so there is no remainder. So this will be 0 because 2 completely divides 4. But as an example, I'll take 5 mod 3. Now think about it. When you divide 5 by 3, what is the remainder that is obtained? It is actually 2. Okay, so you will get 2. You can check for any other number, 10 mod 3. So 10 mod 3 is what? 3 3s are 9. So 1 is the remainder. So the remainder is 1. And now you can deal with any numbers, 7, 4. Okay, it is 3. Now where do we use this? We'll use this at many places, which we'll understand moving forward. But one of the most amazing use cases to check the divisibility. Okay, think about it. When can I say a number divides up another number? When the remainder obtained is 0. Okay, so I can actually check whether a number is even or not by dividing or by taking mod of 2 and checking whether it is 0 or not. Okay, in fact, if I take 5 mod 2, it will be 1. So I'm just giving an idea about how we can use this concept to check whether a given number is even or odd. It's a very frequently asked question to the beginners. Okay. One last thing before we proceed to the next topic. If you try to divide a number by 0, you get error, which is 0 division error. So in programming, you cannot divide a number by 0. You cannot divide by 0. It's invalid. Okay, you will get this very well-known error, division by 0 error. Okay, so yeah, with this we are done with this topic. Next topic we'll talk about BODMAS rule and how we can use it in Python. Thank you.